Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to explain you how you can create very comprehensive training courses and materials using SlideSpeak AI. Throughout this tutorial I'll show you how you can create an interactive presentation for your training and courses that looks similar to this. And I will also show you how you can generate a video out of your presentation with our AI video feature. The videos generated with SlideSpeak are fully AI narrated and automated, so you don't have to record anything yourself. Additionally, today I'm also going to walk you through how you can create a course in Moodle with the presentation and the video generated with SlideSpeak. This is extremely helpful since Moodle is at the moment the most popular LMS in the market. So let's dig into it. What we want to do is we want to go to the main dashboard of SlideSpeak and then hit the Create Presentation with AI button. Afterwards, we want to select the From Document option here. I will go ahead now and simply select the PDF document that I have prepared here, which is a PDF about cybersecurity basics that I want to convert into a training course for employees that need to take this course on an annual basis, for example. The training course that we will create is going to dig into all the topics covered in this PDF. I found this PDF online. It's by the Homeland Security Authority, and you can simply download that online if you're curious. So I'm gonna click here on next since the upload of the document has finished. And I will tell SlideSpeak AI now to create me a training based on the content of the PDF document. And then I will leave all the settings to the default settings. I think that's fine for now. Hit the next button here. And what SlideSpeak will do now, it will, based on the content of the PDF, it will create a training course. So as you can see here, it presented me now with a table of contents that should cover all the aspects of the PDF that we've uploaded. And I've had a quick look here. This all looks good to me. You can also select the tone as educational, which makes sense for a training presentation that we're preparing. The amount of text we'll leave to standard. If you wanted to, you could also modify some of the advanced settings here, include a table of contents, add speaker notes, and so on and so forth. We're not going to do that in this case. And then once you're happy with everything, you can simply hit the Generate Presentation button. And this will now go ahead and actually generate the presentation for your training. All right, here we go. So SlideSpeak has now generated the full presentation for me. And as you can see, it covers like the basics of the cybersecurity training that people need to cover and all the other aspects of the PDF document. This is extremely helpful for people studying for this or taking the actual course. And this presentation can now be downloaded as PowerPoint and PDF and be uploaded to Moodle if you wanted to. But what we're going to do actually now in the next step is we're going to generate an interactive video based on this presentation that is AI narrated. So after I've clicked here on the AI video button, there is a generate video button here that simply kicks off the process of generating the video. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. And this can take a couple of minutes to convert the presentation with AI into a video. All right, here we go. So the video has now been generated, and if you click here on the view button, you will see the video that has been generated. It's 22 minutes long, and your students can watch this video in order to get familiar with the course material. If you click on the play button, it starts playing.
Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today as we explore how to protect your business from cyber threats. Today's presentation is titled, Protecting Your Business from Cyber Threats with Best Practices, Training, and Technology.
And as you can see, it covers all the aspects of the presentation.
From your device, and when it's being transmitted over networks.
So you can hop around in this video as well. and also like download it if you like it as is. All right, let's close this window here now and go to the next step, because I also wanted to show you how you can add that material now into Moodle LMS. So we're gonna head over here to Moodle. I've set up a test account here in order to like showcase how everything works. And I've already gone ahead and created a cybersecurity training course, which we'll use to kind of like showcase how everything works. I'm gonna go and click on that now, and that will show me the content of the course as it is at the moment. I've already added this video as a separate section here, but it's fairly straightforward and easy to add another section to it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. So click on that little plus icon here. That will create a new section. And if we wanted to, we could now give this a title like video cyber security video training. And then afterwards click on the second plus sign within that section to create an activity or resource. And once you've selected that, it will pop up a window where you can select what kind of type of content you want to add. In our case, we're going to select the text and media area, which also supports video content. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And now here in that window here, you will find a button that says multimedia that allows you to select and upload the video that we've generated with SlideSpeak. So I'm gonna go ahead and like select that now. Here's the video that I've generated previously within SlideSpeak. And now the upload process starts. This might take a couple of minutes depending on how big the video is. So we're gonna go ahead and skip that process now. All right, here we go. So the upload has finished now, and a preview of the video should show up here any second. We can give the video a title, so we can call that Cyber Security Training for Small Businesses. And then simply hit the save button, and this will insert the video here in that editor. And then you can give the section another title here, Security Training Video Part 1, for example. And then simply hit and return to course at the bottom of this page. And that will take you straight back to the overview page where you will see that the video has been inserted. And what you can do now on top of this, you can define if people have to complete watching this video before completing the course. You can also add these actual slides from the presentation here onto the course as a slideshow, which makes the whole course more interactive. So the possibilities there are pretty endless. And obviously this process works very similar if you would be using a different LMS like Canvas, for example. But yeah, overall, that is how easy and quick it is to create training material using SlideSpeak AI from any kind of document that you already have, like PDF documents. I hope this was useful to you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them in the section below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.